Hello, fellow actor and actress. Question for you today. Do you journal? If not, why not? Do you think everything is going to stay up here and remain? No. You're going to forget many things. I journal all the time. In fact, I journal for these reasons. Creative ideas, epiphanies, private thoughts, audition notes, favorite characters that I want to play, problem solving, writing scripts. That thing you learned last week that you forgot, but you wrote it down so you'll remember it from the mastermind course that you're taking here. Journaling is so important. It's kind of like breathing. You're an actor. You're a performer. You're an actress. You take yourself seriously. Don't think for 1 minute, trust me, I know. Don't think for 1 minute that you are so organized up here that you are going to remember all of those wonderful ideas and epiphanies that woke you up at 2 in the morning last night. You're not going to remember it. You journal. The greatest people in history, artistic history, have journaled. Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, Leonardo DiCaprio. The list goes on and on. In fact, I believe it so much that I created this. It is a 365-page yearly acting journal. That's what it is. My yearly journal. Now, you can order it for $10 on the Amazon link down below right here. Or get a notebook. Feel free to order this, okay? It's pretty cool. You know, I wrote some personal notes in here at the beginning. Yeah, so you'll like it. But, see, right here, okay? All right? Put your heart into it. Put your soul into it. It'll be yours personally, okay? All right. If not, get a notebook. It'll expand your creativity. It'll give you clarification. Everybody needs clarification. When you have clarification, you have focus. When you have focus, you can do anything that you really want to do in this industry. And it all depends on a pen and to write in your journal. So order the journal today or get a notebook.